Hello folks, Richard Fontaine here. Now thank you for checking out my product review. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now this is an exceptional offer, folks, so I recommend that you grab it, and I have identified that product in the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can get the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video, and when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses for free. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And number 3 shows you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. That's how you become a middleman. And number 4 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And besides that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliate marketers, plus much, much more. This offer also includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Now, let's get on with our review.
Imagine if someone gave you the cheat code to limitless AI profits with Google over and over. A key to an AI engine that makes me $400 or more every day, over and over. And all you need to do is paste a few words into your laptop. You copy, paste, and the proof just falls from the sky. And yes, this can work for anyone, anywhere in the world. And no, this does not require the usual marketing flunk. You know all the stuff you did in 2022? So, are you at all curious? Great, because this is different, easy. It's the most powerful software. The biggest change to hit the planet since the advent of the book. And it means you can finally enjoy the internet lifestyle you were once promised. Look, I've made this as simple as humanly possible. Or should I say, inhumanly possible. That's why this is the world's first copy and paste money-making AI. Even if you're brand new, don't have a list, you don't have a product to sell. And even if you don't have a website, you don't need one. Because the AI will build them all for you, automatically. That is, provided you can copy and paste. So, can you do this? Can you copy and paste? Can you finally profit? Yes. So what are you waiting for? Click below to get started. You'll then be taken to the payment page. Enter your information, and then confirm your payment. And you're on the inside. So, climb aboard. It's time to try something new. Time to get the type of buyer traffic that has, until now, eluded you. Time to truly enjoy AI. Okay, that's it. Thanks, and I'll see you on the inside.
And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You will not be disappointed. And remember my 5 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to conduct your affiliate marketing business easily. Now, thank you for watching, and don't forget to purchase this product. Bye for now.